Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, we'll be discussing trigonometry and our focus will be the sine and the cosine rule. So to get the 6 parameters of a triangle, we have to take note of this. In any triangle ABC, the angles are usually denoted by the capital letter ABC. So what this is saying, the angles for a triangle are denoted by capital letters. So this is capital letter A, B, and C. What is it saying? The angles which we are going to get inside here are denoted by capital letter. On our right hand side, we also have another triangle. So take note of the capital letter A, B, and C. This is what denotes the angles for a triangle. And the sides which are opposite these angles are denoted by small letter A, B, and C respectively. So the sides which are opposite this angle. So if this is the angle A, opposite angle A will have small letter A, which is the side. Now if this is angle C, opposite angle C will have the side small letter C. And if this is angle B, opposite angle B will have the small letter B, which is the side. So what this is saying, opposite any angle will get the side for that angle. So the same thing applies here. If we have capital letter A here, what we get the side should be opposite, which is small letter A. And if we have capital letter C here, what we get the side is small letter C, which is opposite. And when we have capital letter B here, the opposite of this side is small letter B. Now that we've known how to get the parameters of a triangle, let's discuss on what we'll have for today. What we'll have today is the sine rule. Now, the sine rule is used for solving triangles which are not right angled. So looking at these two triangles here, they are both not right angled. So we use the sine rule to solve triangles that are not right angled and in which either two angles and any side are given. Two angles and any side means if we have capital letter B and capital letter C, then any sides are given. Any sides are given could be small letter C, small letter B, or even small letter A. So for we to use the sine rule, two things are involved. Either two angles are given or two sides and the angle opposite one of them are given. Two sides could either be small letter C, small letter B, and then the angle opposite one of them, small letter C, the angle opposite it will have capital letter C, and then small letter B, the angle opposite it is capital letter B. So either capital letter B or capital letter C is given. That is when we use the sine rule. Now let's take note of the rule. The rule says sine A over A is equal to sine B over B equal to sine C over C. So what this means is, if we are meant to look for any parameter, either we take sine A over A is equal to sine B over B, or sine A over A is equal to sine C over C, or sine B over B is equal to sine C over C. This depends on the parameters we are asked to find. That's where we are going to know which of the pairs to work with at a time. Now let's move to example we'll have for today. So for example 1, it says in triangle ABC, B is equals to 39 degree, C is equals to 82 degree, and small letter A is equals to 6.73 centimeter. Now let's find small letter C. After drawing the triangle, we'll label them. So it says in triangle ABC. So we could actually have A here, then we'll have B, and then C. B is equal to 39 degree. Now this is where we have B, we have 39 degree. C is equals to 82 degree. This is where we have our C, 82 degree. A is equal to 6.73. Small letter A is opposite the angle A. So this is where we have small letter A is equals to 6.73 centimeter. It asks us to find small letter C. Now, if this is capital letter C, which is the angle, opposite this angle is where we have small letter C. So we are asked to look for this. So to get C, we have to introduce the sine rule, which is sine A all over A equal to sine B all over B equal to sine C all over C. Now, looking at the parameters we have here, we are given small letter A, which is this. We are also given capital letter B, which is sine capital letter B. We are also given capital letter C, which is this. And we are looking for this. So the easier way to get this is to find capital letter A so that we can use sine A equal to sine C. The reason why we are going to use these two parameters is because we have small letter A. So getting capital letter A will be very easy for us, so we can get the small letter C since we are already given capital letter C. We cannot use sine B because we don't have small letter b, despite the fact that we have capital letter B. That way, we cannot be looking for small letter C and small letter B at the same time. So let us find A. So for we to get A, we have to find the angle A. For we to get angle A, we should recall that sum of angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So that way, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Angle A is what we are looking for, plus angle B is 39 degree plus 82 degree is equal to 180. So angle A plus 39 degree plus 82 degree will have 121 degree equals to 180. So on collect like term, angle A equals to 180 minus 121 degree. Angle A is equal to 59 degree. So now that we've gotten the value for A, we're going to put it in our triangle. So angle A is 59 degree. So we're going to work with sine A over A equals to sine C over C. So to get small letter C, we have sine A all over A equal to sine C all over C. Sine capital letter A will have 59 all over small letter A will have 6.73 equal to sine C we have sine 82 degree all over small letter C. So for we to proceed, we have to cross multiply. Now cross multiplying, C times sine 59 will give us C sine 59 equal to sine 82 times 6.73 will have sine 82 times 6.73. So we divide through by sine 59 to get the value for C all over sine 59. Sine 59 cancels sine 59, we are left with C equal to, now let's break down this expression. Sine 82 will give us 0.9903 times 6.73 over sine 59 is 0.8572. For we to get the sign of this value, we are going to use either the four-figure table or your scientific calculator. Now, C is equal to 0.9903 times 6.73 gives us 6.664719 all over 0.8572. C is equals to, when we divide these values together, we'll get 7.774. C is approximately, I want to round this up to 3 significant figures. C is approximately 7.77 centimeter. Now this is the value for the small letter C. We can actually go back to the triangle to impute it. The value for C is 7.77 centimeter. Now let's move to question number 2. It says, find the remaining angles of triangle ABC in which A is equal to 12.5 centimeter, C is equal to 17.7 centimeter, and capital letter C is 116 degree. So now let's go to question number 2 and draw the triangle. After drawing the triangle, we'll put in the parameters. So we have to label it A, B, and C. So the question only gives us angle C, which is 116 degree, and it gave us small letter A and small letter C. If this is capital letter A, this is small letter a, which is 12.5 centimeter. And if this is capital letter C, this is where we'll have our small letter c, which is 17.7 centimeter. Now, if we take note of what the question asks us to do, it says find the remaining angles of the triangle ABC. So we have to find the remaining angles, which are angle B and angle A. So for we to start that, let's take note of the rule. Sine A over A is equal to sine B over B equal to sine C over C. So taking note of the parameters given here, we are given small letter a and small letter c, and we are also given sine C. So the first angle for we to get here, judging with the parameters given, is sine A. Then after getting sine A, we'll use sum of angles in a triangle to get a value for sine B. So now let's start. We have sine A over A equal to sine C over C. So when we include the parameters given, sine A all over, for small letter a is 12.5 equal to sine C, our C is 116 degree, all over small letter c is 17.7. So when we cross multiply, sine A times 17.7 is 17.7 sine A equal to 12.5 times sine 116 is 12.5 sine 116. So we divide through by 17.7. So we can be left with sine A, 17.7, cancel, cancel. Sine A is equals to 12.5 times sine 116 gives us 0.8988 all over 17.7. Sine A is equals to 12.5 times 0.8988. We have 11.235 all over 17.7. So therefore, sine A is equal to 11.235 divided by 17.7 is 0.6347. So for we to get the value of A, we have to look for the opposite of sine, which is sine inverse. So A is equals to sine inverse of 0.6347. So using your 4-figure table or your scientific calculator, sine inverse of 0.6347 gives us 39.39 degree. A approximately, I want to put it to 3 significant figure, 39.4 degree. So now that we've gotten the value for A, we can actually put it in a triangle. Angle A is 39.4. So here we have angle A, we have angle C. So we're going to use sum of angles in a triangle to get the angle B. Recall, sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we'll have angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. A, we have 39.4 degree plus B, which is what we are looking for, plus C. C will have 116 degree, which is equals to 180 degree. Angle B plus 39.4 plus 116 degrees, 155.4 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle B is equals to 180 minus 155.4 degree. Angle B is equals to 24.6 degree. We can actually write this value back in our triangle. So angle B is 24.6 degree. So to conclude this question, however, we're given angle C as 116 degree. Thus, we're able to get the answer for A, which is 39.4 degree, and B, which is 24.6 degree, because the question said we should get the remaining angles. So if we're given angle C, we've been able to get A and B. So I'll leave it to this challenge. In triangle ABC, A is equals to 7.1 centimeter, B is equals to 9.5 centimeter, and B is equals to 63.3 degree. Solve the triangle completely. What this means is this: in a triangle, we have 6 parameters, and what we'll have here, we have just 2 sides and 1 degree. So you're meant to find the third side and the 2 other degree. So here you're going to look for small letter C, and you're also going to look for capital letter A and capital letter C. You have to do this question and drop your answer in the comment section. I will follow up to check on what we do, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Thank you very much for joining me today. See you in my next class. Bye.